Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing you another vegan tutorial, and this is actually going to be a series because many of you have purchased my Cotton Creations Vegan Honey Pecan Cornbread Mix, and thank you so much for the support. I wanted to create a series where I show you guys some other options that you could do with your cornbread mix because, honey, it is not a one-trick pony. You can do many things with your cornbread mix. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it. I know some of you are new to Cotton Creations, so welcome to my channel. I just want to let you know, for any vegan recipe that I share on my channel, I put the recipe in the description box down below for you to either download, save it, and print it, and what have you. They're all free, so that's where you can find them for all my food tutorials. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry crumble cornbread cake, or some may call it a blueberry crumble cornbread bar. So whichever you choose to call it, that's what we're gonna do. And let me go over what you'll need.
Of course, you'll need your Cotton Creations cornbread mix, some vegan butter, some vegan milk, some lemon, cornstarch, white granulated sugar, brown sugar, some water, and of course some blueberries. Oh, and let's not forget some flour. So to get started, I'm just going to make my Cotton Creations cornbread. Everything is pretty much as the instructions are stated on the back of the bag, with the exception of the milk is only 1 cup instead of 1.5. We're going to, we want it to, be a little bit thicker so that it can hold up to our blueberry compote. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm going to split the batter up so that I only fill just the bottom of my pan, and that way we can have it be a little thinner. Now, to get started on our blueberry compote, I'm just going to take my blueberries and put in some sugar as well as some cornstarch. And I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice. And you could also put the zest of the lemon as well in there. Totally up to you. But of course, I got you on the recipe. The information and link to the recipe will be down in the description box. But I'm going to just finish it off by putting in some water. Of course, you can use a wine as well, which works really great too. Just give that a stir, and then we're just going to go ahead and cook this on the stove top until our blueberries are starting to get soft and break down. We don't want them completely broken down, but you do want it to be a nice like compote syrup, and you want it to be a little thick, not too thick, but you do want it to thicken up some. So once your blueberry compote is done, you want to give it some time to chill. I recommend doing this like the day before you add it onto your cornbread. But if you can't do it the day before, just make sure that it's nice and chill before you add it to your cornbread. Next, we're going to do our crumble, which is the same crumble I do for my vegan Dutch apple pie. It's just some flour, some brown sugar, some white granulated sugar, and we're going to put some butter in here. Now, you want to make sure that you are cutting your butter up some into small pieces so it's easier to work with. Now, the next step, you can use your hands like I'm doing, or you can use a pastry cutter, whatever works best for you. But for me, this works just fine. And you want to just mix this nice and good and well until it looks kind of like sand. Now it's time to assemble everything. So I cooked my cornbread for about 20-25 minutes, And now I'm going to add the blueberry compote, which has been chilling in the refrigerator, so it's nice and cold. And we're just going to lay those blueberries all over top of our cornbread. And then after that, what we're gonna do is go ahead and layer on our crumble, and then we'll pop it back in the oven until your crumble is nice and golden brown, which should take probably about 15 more minutes or so. So just watch it. Of course, you can add it into your broiler if you want it to make it crispier and brown it just a little bit more faster. But just be careful if you do put it in the broiler, because as you know, that thing will burn something up quick, fast, and in a hurry. So yeah. Drum roll, please. Here comes the final results. Yummy.
So let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. These are so yummy. I love blueberries, so it's like a perfect pairing of the tartness from the blueberries, but also the syrup that we made to sweeten up the blueberries a little bit more. And the pairing of that with the nice buttery sweet cornbread, oh my gosh, it's amazing. And of course you can make a glaze to go over top of it, like a vanilla glaze, drizzle it on top. It just depends on the level of sweetness and richness and all of that yumminess that you want. You can have it or not. You can do it or not. It's up to you. But anyway, let me know down in the comment section down below what you think of this tutorial, if you're willing to give it a try. If you like this video, you know what to do, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.